Morning student, we have read this chapter every drop counts. Now let us continue this chapter. In previous class we have discussed about the Getsisar Lake, about its feature and beauty, and how was this useful for the people in old days. And after that we have read about the different kind of sources which were used in old days. Here you can see that rainwater is collected and also used by the house's roof, and step wells you can see that the steps go down several story deep. Instead of drawing the water from the well, the people could go down the step and reach the water. So that's why these are called step wells. Now after that, custom related to water. Here you can see that in this picture, the bridge of Uttarakhand. After getting married, lady came to new village, then she goes to the spring or the pond. Now today we will study about the man-made sources and how the people get water from different kinds of sources and problem faced by them. Now let us start the story today. Let us see the different ways in which people manage water today. See page number 57 and discussed. You can see here. First picture, Ajal board water tanker comes to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at times have fights over water. In first picture you can see that Jal board water tanker is source of water for them, and how they get water and which kinds of problem will be faced by them. Now in second you can see that a well is the source of water is used. The nearby well dried up year ago. Now we have to walk for far to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. In third picture, what is described here, you can see that we get water at home for half an hour. We fill this tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. Now we get water from our taps all day long. In this picture, the problem of scarcity of water is not faced by them. Next, there is a hand pump. Hand pump is the source of water through which we can get underground water easily. You can see that there is a hand pump nearby, but the water we get from it salty, so we have to buy water for drinking. Next, we have put a pump directly in the Jal board pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. In this picture, facility to provide water is very good and they don't face any kind of problem. Next, we have put a motor to pump the water from the bore well, but there is no electricity, so what do we do? In this picture, source of water is to water motor pump, but when electricity is not, then it is not useful. In last you can see that a lady is shown here with the water pot. You can see that what she said, we get water from canal itself. They get water from canal themselves without any man-made source. Now here you can see that a picture of water bill is shown. You can see that, and some questions are asked on the basis of this bill. Date of issue, last date of payment, total payment, name of customer. You can see that name of board. Now observe this bill carefully. Here you can see that the name of people whose this bill is issued. You can see Shri Mohad Umar and Dr. Mohad Shoaib, 22, Mehroli, Hajurani, Delhi. And Date of bill, you can see date 11/7/2007 to 5/9/2007. Bill of which month, you can see date 7th month. And bill number 154564. Bill date 7/9/2007. And last date of payment 3/10/2007. And bill of for which month, 11/7/2007 to 5/9/2007, means 7th month. Now name of customer, you can see here. After that, total bill amount is shown here with including all charges. You can see that 350 round off. And after that, without an extra charge. But when you will pay bill after last date, you have to pay 18 extra rupees with late payment. If you will pay bill after a fixed date, so you have to pay extra charge of late payment 18 rupees. Now after paid last late charging, you have to pay 368. So you will pay with late payment total amount 368. But when you pay this bill on timely, you have to pay only 350 rupees. Is that clear? So in this bill, we will, what do you observe here? Name of customer, you can see that for which month is this bill issue, bill number, last date of payment, and total payment. You can see that here. Now come to the questions. Look at this bill and tell from which office has this bill come. Here you can see that Delhi Jal Board. Which board? Delhi Jal Board. Clear? Do we get a water bill at home? Find out from where it is sent. If you get a water bill, so please try to find from where it is sent. Next, why do you think Delhi Sarkar is written under Delhi Jal Board? You can see here, because this bill is sent by Delhi government, so here Delhi Sarkar is written. In whose name is the bill? How much money do they have to pay for each month? You can see that in this bill, name of customer Mohad, and payment, you can see that 350 without late payment, and with late payment 368. You can observe the bill which bill is sent to you at your home, and you can write name, last date of bill payment, total payment, and for which month is bill issued, etc. You can observe bill, water bill at your home, and try to find these following questions. Okay, you can easily answer these questions by observing water bill at your home. So try to do these. It can be done. Now come to this. There are some groups that work hard to bring water. People of different areas, they ask the elders about the water arrangement in their times. They rebuild the old lakes and jords and also build new ones. Let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Sangh helped Darki Mai. Here you can see that a story of Darki Mai is described. This is the Darki Mai. She lived in a village in Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the well dried up, they had to leave the village. Derki Mai heard about the group and asked the people. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk, they have started earning more. So, by working together, they sort out this problem and spend their life without any more problems. So, when we will do work together or cooperation, we can sort out problems easily. Now, what we have learned, come to this chapter. Make a poster. Do you remember the slogan? Water on earth is for one and all. Because we all know water is the essential part of our life. Without water, we can't survive. So, it is said that life first appeared in water. So, make a poster and theme water on earth is for one and all. Without water, we can't live. Animals, plants, human beings, all organisms survive with water. Without water, no life. So, make a poster. And we also have learned about in this chapter what are different kinds of sources, how the people get water from different sources and problem faced by them, and next identify the ways to save waters. So in this chapter, different kind of sources, how people get water from different sources and problem faced by them, and last identify the ways to save of water. We have learned how can we find